This is it. Alright, so this is our table. Grabe, ang dami nito guys. If you were with me, ano siguro yung magiging favorite mo dito or unang kakainin mo guys? Please mention it at the comment section. Welcome to Kimbab CheonCook. So this is our table. Imagine, tayo lang dalawa dito pero ang dami nilang inhanda. So thank you so much, Kimbab CheonCook. Check out their fan page. They are also available sa order and delivery. Itong branch na to is located inside Clark. Ang pinaka-landmark natin and napakalaki. Harap lamang siya ng Hann Casino and Resort. Meron din silang second branch sa may Koreatown. So papakita rin natin siya later on. But for now, let me give a rundown kung ano yung mga names ng mga dishes na hinanda nila sa atin. First off, meron tayong tuna kimbab, cheese ramyun, which is yung tinitingnan mo ngayon. Meron din tayong fried dumplings, tteokbokki, bibimbap, saka mayo rice. Kanina hinahanda natin to, grabe. Sabi ko, parang ito yung mas excited ako na tikman. So meron din tayong dungkas, para siya pork tonkatsu, bulgogi, at saka sandobu jjigae. So yun yung mga soup naman natin. Then sa mga drinks, syempre may iced coffee, and then ito rin. I think this is popular in Korea. This is how it looks like. Ayan. Ang mga niya, sikye. Alright, kain tayo.